Pre, kumusta kayo? Happy Saturday. Sana ayos lang kayo. Shoutout muna tayo kay Maiko Magura, Mikovic Lim, at saka kay Christian Dalanon. Shoutout sa inyo mga pre. Salamat sa support, salamat sa pag-subscribe. So, yan. Yun nga, kanina pumunta ako sa mga garage sale pre. May mga solid tayong mga na-pick up. And then, hey, salamat sa mga nagko-comment, sa mga nag-share sa mga videos ko. As in, appreciate ko talaga kayo. As in, salamat. And then may mga maraming nag-comment pala sa mga sa last videos ko about vintage. Mayroon daw akong mga na-miss or hindi na kinuha. Totoo naman talaga yan mga pre. Mostly yung mga hindi ko kinuha. Kasi ngayon, piling-pili talaga ako pag bumibili ako ng mga vintage. Kasi bago pa ako sa vintage game pre. Mostly kasi sa negosyo ko dito, ang mga binibili ko talaga, mga sapatos, mga electronics, yung dalawang yun yung mga, binibenta ko talaga dito. So alam ko kung ano yung mga yun. Sa vintage, wala akong masyadong knowledge. Pero mostly pre, yung mga hindi ko kinuha pre, yun yung mga hindi ko nabibenta dito. Kasi ngayon, I know, di ba sabi ko may ukay ako dyan, nagsisimula na ako. Yung mga focus ko muna sa ukay ko dyan is yung mga branded at saka yung mga Carhartt kasi maraming gustong-gusto yung Carhartt dyan At saka konti-konting mga vintage ng mga t-shirt. Kaya pa, slowly but surely lang pre, hinahinay lang ako muna. Kasi nga, bago pa lang ako sa vintage game. Pero darating tayo dyan mga parekoy. Ang dami, marami namang tayong makukuha ng mga vintage dito So, walang problema yan. Walang sayang pre, walang sayang. Pero, hey, na-appreciate ko yan. Comment lang kayo. Pag may na-miss ako, i-comment nyo lang na, hey pre, hindi mo kinuha yon para at least next time alam ko na. So, at least makalearn din ako sa inyo. Pero, yeah. So, salamat sa inyo. Salamat sa, interaction, mga comments, lahat. Salamat, maraming salamat. Alright, so note kayo sa video.
Diyan sa kabila. Anong meron sapatos. Ito po, mahalin ng sapatos. Ito. How much for the boots?
Ben, how much are your boots?
I do 20.
20?
20 for these and I'll do 10 for these.
Okay.
Bueno.
Hasta luego.
To take 15?
Sure.
Okay, cool.
I have changed them.
You don't have change? You don't have a 5?
5.
You're gonna check to see the change.
Hindi na to masama pre. Okay na to. 15. Tommy boots. Tommy anniversary pa to pre. So I think mas okay to anniversary Let's go. Teatro.
First cash out transaction.
You don't have the little tips, do you? You like how you put the plastic in
Oh, I
it?
use those still.
Oh, I would like
I'll take it
you
for
don't have
50.
that.
I still
I'll
have
take that.
those.
Do you change?
Yes.
How much for the little turntable then?
For the turntable, $3.
Okay.
Yeah.
How much do you want on that little?
Thank you so much.
The Hummel.
Pre, kinuha ko na to pre. Alam niya pre, yung itong brand na to pre, mamahalin to pre. So, good morning!
Good morning.
Jordan na plates pre. Score to pre. Score to. Jordan na plates. Score to. Ito ano ang brand to na sapatos. J. Murphy. $2. Ito pre, score to pre. Jordan. Let's go, let's go. It's $5, right?
Yep.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Pre. Score. 5 lang. $5 lang. Let's go. The women's 8.5.
Yes.
We take 7?
I do like 8.
Okay.
The misdemeanor are 15, and these are all 5.
Thank you.
Yes. Hope she enjoys them or whoever.
Yeah, thank you. Ito pre, mamahalin pala ito pre. Mabibenta ko ito pre mga $30 to $40 pre. Used. Maganda na to. $8 bili ko. Alright, let's go. Ito pre, magaganda ito pre. Good morning. Hey, Jordan pre. How much for your shoes?
$10.
$10? Okay. Okay, mas okay ito pre. Alright. Ay, may konting separation, no? Ito na lang. Kunin natin. Ito pa lang may konting. Pero hindi naman ito masama talaga. Ito. Reebok. I think old school ito na Reebok. I think old school. Kunin natin yan.
No. Just trying to clear out over here. Thank you.
Tingnan ko ito. Ano? Ito na lang kasi mas magandang condition. Alright pre, natin ano makukuha natin dito.
Yeah, one of his favorite jackets. He's just too big. That's good. Tax the hell out of you on sales. Because they don't have any sales tax. Throw that money away now.
Maganda to pre.
Even though retiring here in probably 7 years, can. Probably they are here.
Is this $4 each?
Yeah.
You did 10 for 3?
Is what?
10 for 3? Like $2 off?
Sure.
Okay. Oh, this is so cool.
Yeah, ours just turned 3. It's our grandson.
It's for the military.
My wife doesn't sell things that are messed up or anything. So she gives them away. She's like, do you want to sell them? You can. It's really good about it. So they last longer if you don't dry them. Hang them. Even like these things. I have shirts that are 12 years old.
All 6 for 15.
And yeah, and that's
Kunin ko na to.
someone
Made
come
in
over
US
with you
pero sa
and you're like,
military to eh.
don't throw stuff in them. You know, like your stuff's
Sa
all-
military.
Thank you for helping, but don't help.
I'll take these two.
Okay.
So it's 15 plus 10, 25? It says 15 for all 6?
Yes.
Okay.
You some would finally want those. I've had a lot of them. I used to collect them and then when I was in Scouts.
Are these old or?
They're probably 10 years old.
Okay.
At least.
That's not bad. Thank you, sir. I'll come back for those. Okay yun, pre, mga military. I think baunan yun ng mga military, pre. Baunan ng paramilitary, ang ganda nun. Let's go, let's go. Made in US. Let's go. Sampulan po. I'll take this.
Yeah.
It still works, right? I mean, it's still on.
Yeah, it still works.
Yeah. Thank you.
Absolutely, thank you.
Nakatawa mo to. Okay na to, pre, pang exercise to, pre. Sa paa, pre, habang naka pang exercise machine. 10 lang. 10 lang to, pre. Pang exercise ito, pre. Pang exercise 10 lang. Alright. Okay na okay yan. Magkano kaya yan, no? May mga screenshot yan kung magkano yan. Hindi na masama for $10. Let's go.